Planning a home renovation? You might think that after hiring a general contractor, your job is done. But to protect your home and family, you still have some work to do. As a professional contractor, I've seen the damage that bad electrical work can cause. To avoid disasters like electrical shocks, fires, you need to be sure that your general contractor is only hiring a licensed electrical contractor, or LEC, for any electrical work. Only an LEC with an ESA license number has the expertise, equipment, and training to do the job safely and legally. So, what can you do? Well, talk to your general contractor. Ask them if your electrician is an LEC, and make sure the LEC includes the electrical permit as part of their contract and on their estimate. Electrical work needs its own permit, separate from your general building permit. If the electrician on your project asks you to file the permit, offers a discount if you pay cash, or does more than electrical work, chances are they're not an LEC. To double check your electrician is licensed, look them up online. And if it turns out they're not licensed, you can anonymously report them to the Electrical Safety Authority, and please do. Electricity isn't something to mess around with. But with a little effort, you can make sure your home's electrical work is safe and legal.